Okay. In this video, I'm going to be focusing on the different joints we have in the body, especially the synovial ones. The first one I'm going to cover is going to be the hinge joint. The specific hinge joint I'm talking about is going to be one in the elbow. So with the hinge joint, you're able to do elbow flexion and elbow extension. Flexion, extension. Another type of a synovial joint would be a pivot joint. Example of a pivot joint would be one that is in the back of your neck, in your neck, basically. So basically, your skull is going to rotate on this pivot joint. Rotation, outward rotation, and inward rotation. Outward rotation, inward rotation. Or lateral rotation, medial rotation. Lateral would be the outward, and medial would be the inward. Another type of joint we have, a synovial joint we have, is the ellipsoid joint. And that ellipsoid joint can be found in your fingers, the phalanges especially, in between your phalanges. And one of the movements for the ellipsoid joint would be flexion or extension of basically the fingers. So flexion, extension, flexion, extension. Now, the fourth type of synovial joint we're going to be talking about today is going to be the saddle joint. The saddle joint can be found in your wrist. Basically, you can do wrist flexion or extension. Flexion, extension. And the last type of joint we're going to be talking about, the last type of synovial joint, is going to be the ball and socket joint. The ball and socket joints are either located in your shoulders or your knees. And with the ball and socket joint, you can basically move your shoulder in any 360 movement. So the exercise I'm going to be performing is going to be shoulder abduction, which means moving away from the body, or you could do shoulder adduction, just moving into the body.